Hello and welcome back. This is Helen Godden with our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long, and I've swapped over to my yellow thread because we've got a bit of work to do down here in the bottom. So here where I did some cross hatching with my Sharpie, you could actually of course stitch over that and give that some great texture with the yellow. But for now I'm going to work in this section and I'm going to show you my spirit dancers, which is a little series of people all holding hands and sharing the joy of Christmas. So I am going to turn the job a little bit. It's easier for me to work in this direction, but you'll see how these little people are formed. It's actually a design based loosely on zebra flames. When I first started to do zebra flames, if you can see, there's like a little pair of legs there. Just that section there looks like a pair of jeans. So I was thinking, how can I use that to make a little string of people? And this is what I came up with, and this is my spirit dancers. So it's a little bit tricky in that first bit because, you know, they're sort of half underneath the leaf, so we won't worry about them. But as we come along here, you can see I do a pair of legs and then I go right up to their armpits, literally. And those legs can be doing all sorts of things. Okay, there's endless variety. Now a bit of a trick as we get past this leaf here, so I'm going to continue these little fellas and then I'll do that section separately. So once you've done the legs, you then come up to do the head. So here's our little spirit dancers. Now this is a good one to practice on paper to get the rhythm and to understand, you know, that you're making the legs, making the armpits, making the heads. So if you manage to get one little head on a pair of legs, you've done really well. So there we go, that's December 22 and we've done our little spirit dancers and the cross hatching there in the yellow. I think that's really given it a lovely texture. Can't wait to see you tomorrow for December 23rd. See you later, bye.